Hey coders, Mr. Wagner here. Today we are going to install Python on a Windows computer. As you see right here, I am on a Windows computer, and I'm going to start by going to Google Chrome, which is where I kind of usually start out. So you can use whatever browser you want, but I'm going to go to python.org, python.org. When you are here, you're going to click on Downloads, and that's going to get you to this page where it says Download Python 3.11.0. Yours could be later. That's fine. Just click on this yellow button here. That will download, it's right here. So that'll download Python. And then once you're here, we're going to double click on this to open up the installation of Python. Okay, this part is very important, so pay attention. See right here where it says add python.exe to path, you definitely need to click that. Okay, if you do not click that, then things are not going to work out. And then I'm just going to click on install now, which is the base install. If you want a custom install, go for it. But I'm going to hit install now. And this part's probably going to take a couple, 3 minutes, so don't be surprised if I speed up the video a little bit during this part, but we'll just let this sit and watch. And meanwhile, just stare at me. Tell you a joke. Why does a chicken coop have 2 doors? Because if it had 4 doors, it'd be a chicken sedan. Anyway, okay, bad joke. Tell your parents, they'll love it. All right. So, it's like it's doing the test suite. We're just taking our sweet time here. Utility scripts, TCL, TK support. Mine says 64-bit, that's because I'm running a later computer. If yours is a 32-bit, that's fine, it'll all work just fine with what we're doing. And the bootstrap usually takes a while. Don't worry about what it means, it's fine. Yeah, told you it took a while. Yeah, feel free to dance around if you need to while you wait for this stuff. Actually, setting up software usually takes the longest amount of time. It's kind of annoying, but if you want to do what you want to do, you gotta wait through some of the time. Hey, it's done. Okay, now it says setup was successful. It tells you a few things here. Now notice here it says disable path length limit. Okay, this is specific to a Windows machine, and the path is basically a way for Windows to know where to look for programs. If I were you, I would go ahead and click on that if you get this message. It doesn't hurt to do so, especially on these later computers. Basically, it just writes something to the registry, and it'll be fine. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to close this window, and then we're just going to see if Python itself works. So I'm going to come down here to the search window. Alternatively, I could click on the start thing, but I'm going to type in Python. And notice here it says idle, IDLE, Python 3.11, 64-bit. There's a few other Python things down here, but what we're going to be writing, at least our initial program in, is idle. And idle is like a word processor for coding. And it comes with Python. Later we'll use a better program for this, but we'll start with idle. And the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to right click on this and I'm going to go ahead and pin it to the taskbar. So you'll see it down here, and that'll be easy because then you can just click on it, type your code, etc. Right? I'm going to double click on that, and it'll take a second for Python to start up on this machine. And there you go. See, it says idle shell 3.11.0. And this 3 greater than signs basically is kind of like Python's way of saying, hey, I'm ready for you to enter the command. So let's just enter in a command 2 plus 2, and it says 4. So we know that Python works. The next video that I'm going to install for you is called Pygame. And Pygame is a library that allows us to write Python games. All right. Take care, everybody, and see you around. Keep coding.